Hi guys, did you ever want to put a whammy bar on your fixed bridge guitar without routing and damaging the body? This is how I did it all by myself in just 1 hour. Back in 2015, I wanted to put a Bigsby-like whammy bar on my Ibanez Telman, but I didn't like the Bigsby. It was a little bit limited for me. So I found these whammy bars made by Duesenberg in Germany. I had this put in by Eric's Guitar Shop in LA. As you can see, a little bit of woodwork and routing was required. It worked out great, and I ended up using it on the Gazy glide guitars in Dark Lightning, the song which I reviewed last time. One day I was back in LA after moving to Prague. I saw this awesome purple guitar at Guitar Center. I had to have it. I always wanted a purple Les Paul style guitar. I didn't want to buy it there and bring it back, so I found that it was available online at a nearby store in Germany called Thomann. I wanted to see if I could get a whammy bar without all the routing and woodwork. I found that Duesenberg made a whammy bar just for this purpose. All I had to do was unscrew the 2 screws on the sides of the fixed bridge. Then I placed this whammy bar on top and just screwed it in with the 2 new screws. That's it. The 2 screws are placed perfectly, so I didn't have to do any additional work. It was so easy. One of my favorite features of this bar is that you can move the bar and place it exactly where you want for the whammy action. As you can see, there's a small hole here, and you just tighten it with an Allen wrench. The bar can be moved forward or back as you want it to get the right feel that you want for your whammy work. You can't even do this with conventional whammy bars. They're in a fixed location and you can't adjust the forward, backwards location of this bar. Amazing! Then you get this tri-flow pinpoint lubricator. Then you put it over here in this little springy part right here. This really helps keep it in tune. You can't do major dive bombs with this whammy bar. That's not what I wanted it for. Then just drop a little bit of Big Ben's nut sauce on the nut. This helps it stay in tune really well. And that's it, easy peasy. Even better, it only cost me $100 plus shipping. $100 plus shipping to add a whammy bar to your fixed bridge guitar without any damaging? Yes, please. I highly suggest you try it out. Product links are in the description. They're not affiliate links. Please remember to subscribe, hit the bell, and drop a comment. Which of these insights are you enjoying the most? I made something really awesome for you guys. My free Bose GT100 Easy Guide. Just click the link in the video description below and sign up today to get your free copy. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you immensely. Have an awesome creative day.